Comment your ideas of this 20 incredible aircraft.
1.
Boeing 747, the legendary queen of the skies, famous for long-haul travel and massive capacity.
2.
Airbus A380, the world's largest passenger jet, offering double-deck luxury and quiet flight.
3.
Boeing 787 Dreamliner, a fuel-efficient wide-body jet with advanced composite materials.
4.
Airbus A350XW, the long-range aircraft known for comfort, efficiency, and modern avionics.
5.
Boeing 777, a reliable long-haul twin-engine jet widely used worldwide.
6.
Airbus A320, popular short to medium-range jet, used by many airlines globally.
7.
Boeing 737, one of the most produced commercial aircraft in aviation history.
8.
Comac C919, China's narrow-body aircraft competing with A320 and 737.
9.
Embraer E195-E2, efficient regional jet with low noise and fuel consumption.
10.
ATR-72, turboprop aircraft ideal for short regional routes.
11.
Antonov An-2-5, the largest aircraft ever built, designed to carry ultra-heavy cargo.
12.
Antonov An-124, heavy-lift cargo plane used for oversized freight.
13.
Boeing 747-8F, a modern cargo version of the iconic 747.
14.
Lockheed C-130 Hercules, versatile military transport aircraft with short runway capability.
15.
Airbus A400M Atlas, European military airlifter, combining speed and heavy payload.
16. Gulfstream G700, ultra-long-range luxury business jet with spacious cabin.
17.
Bombardier Global 8000, one of the fastest civil jets with intercontinental range.
18.
Dassault Falcon 6X, advanced wide-cabin business jet with digital flight controls.
19.
Cessna Citation X, known for being one of the fastest business jets ever.
20.
Pilatus PC-12, single-engine turboprop, popular for private and utility use.